my prototypes are complete. I started on last Wednesday waiting for all the materials to come in from Amazon. I purchased everything from Amazon. The only item that has not arrived yet is on top of the ornaments. I want to place a hanger to hang on the tree, and it's extra thin black ribbon, and then I can add more embellishments to these ornaments like guitars and music notes. And on the back side is a star or a different design that I'm coming up with. I just completed the second Gene Simmons. I went with purple and red instead of red and black. Which one do you prefer? Anyhow, the black tree just arrived today as well. So that's why these bulbs are very colorful, because the background's going to be black. And as you've been watching my other videos, I am going to use styrofoam mannequin heads and create picks. And we already have Gene Simmons finished with the red tongue, and that's in a video a couple videos back on my TikTok and YouTube. I would like to place Kiss songs on my videos on TikTok. However, I always upload to my YouTube channel, and then they flag me because it's a copyright infringement on YouTube. But yet on TikTok we can use Kiss. So I don't get that at all, but then again, it's two different platforms. So this is going on my YouTube channel, Legacy's Little Luxuries. If you want to learn how to make snow globe ornaments, just search for it. This idea is so old. I learned this idea 25, 30 years ago. It's a quilt. It's a quilted type ornament. This is a 4-inch bulb. A lot of the videos that you will come across will use a 3-inch bulb, and that does control how many pieces of fabric you have to cut and have to use, and then how many pins you have to use as well. But Amazon carries the 2,000 box of pins. They carry the ribbon. They carry the jelly roll colors, everything. And then I'm using rondelles for some bling effect on each ornament. And then, like I said earlier, I'm using some guitars and embellishments for each ornament. So each one's a little different, but I like it. It's all coming together. And then I really like this ribbon that I found on Amazon. It's music notes. Let's see, each side on the back's a little different, but it's always going to show from the front side on the tree anyways. I'm not selling these. These are for me. And I'm on my second set now. So I'll have 2 of each. And then I'll decide what else I'll make for this Christmas tree. We'll see ya. Please subscribe. Help me build my channel. And I'm wishing you a happy Monday. This is Basha. Hashtag Artist Freedom. Hashtag Christmas. Hashtag Basha's Coffee and Crafts. Host of Legacy's Little Luxuries. Take care.